Welcome to this session of Business Mathematics. In this module 2 of simultaneous equation, we will learn about some methods of solving simultaneous equations in two variables. For solving simultaneous equations in two variables, we have basically two methods. First is the graphical method, the second method is algebraic method. In graphical method, as the name suggests, we make use of graph, and in algebraic method, we have two more categories. The first method is elimination method and the second method is cross multiplication. Elimination method is further classified into substitution method, comparison method and addition and subtraction of equations. Cross multiplication is also known as Cramer's rule. Now first we see graphical method. In graphical method, what we do, from the given equation we find the value of one unknown variable corresponding to some values of the other unknown variable for the two given equations separately. Then of the values we got, we plot the graph for each linear equation in Cartesian coordinates, that is in x and y axis. For doing so, we take variable x on the x axis and the variable y on the y axis using a suitable scale. The two lines formed by joining the points so obtained will cross each other at a point. The coordinates of this point of intersection will give the required solution. Now let us see an example. Suppose we are given with simultaneous equations as 3x plus y is equal to 11, 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. Here from equation number 1 we can say that the value of y is equal to 11 minus 3x. On solving equation number 2 we get y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now here x is called independent variable because we can take any values of x, and y is called a dependent variable because the value of y depends on the value of x. Now we put different values of x and calculate different values of y for both the equations. For example, I have taken the value of x as 2, 3 and 4 and calculate corresponding values of y for equation number 1, and similarly I have taken the value of x as 2, 3, 4 and calculate the value of y for the second equation. Now after plotting the obtained points on the graph, we see that the lines intersect at a point which is 3, 2. Hence the x coordinate of this is equal to 3 and y coordinate of this point is 2. This is the required route, that is x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. The second method is called substitution method. In this method we express any one variable in terms of the other variable in any of the given equation. Next we substitute this value in the other equation. That means first we take a value of one variable in terms of other and we substitute this value in the other equation. After solving the equation so formed to find the value of one unknown variable. Now once I get the value of this unknown variable, I can substitute this value in any of the equations to find the value of the other unknown variable. Let us see this method with an example. Suppose we are given with an equation 3x plus y is equal to 11, 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. Let us mark them equation number 1 and equation number 2. From equation number 1 we see that the value of y is equal to 11 minus 3x. Let us mark it equation number 3. Now if you look at the steps of the given equation, we see that we have to substitute this value in the next equation. So now substituting the value of y from equation number 3 into equation number 2. So we have 4x minus 2, in place of y we substitute its value, that is 11 minus 3x, and equate it to 8. After solving this we have the value of x as 3. Now once we get the value of one unknown variable, we can put this value in any of the given equation to find the another value. Now I am putting this value of x in equation number 3. So we have y is equal to 11 minus 3, inside the bracket I have the value of x as 3. On solving I get the value of y as 2. Hence we have the roots as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the substitution method. Let us see one more example of this method. Suppose we are having the equations as y minus 2x is equal to 7, 4y plus x is equal to 1. We mark them equation number 1 and 2. Now from the equation number 1 we get the value of y as 7 plus 2x. Mark it equation number 3. Now substituting this value in the given equation number 2, we have 4. In place of y, we get the value, that is 2x plus 7 plus x is equal to 1. After solving this, we get the value of x as minus of 3. Once we get the value of x, we can put this value in any of the equation to get the value of y. Now putting the value of x in equation number 3, we have y is equal to 2 minus of 3 plus 7. In this way, we get the value of y as 1. Hence, the roots of this equation are x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 1. This method is substitution method. Now the next method is called comparison method. In comparison method, we express same unknown variable in terms of other from each of the given equations. By equating or comparing these two equations, the value of one unknown variable is determined. And by substituting the values of this unknown variable, the other unknown variable can be found out. Let us see an example. We have equation as 3x plus y is equal to 11, 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. Let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now according to this method, what we have to do, we have to find the value of same unknown variable from both the equations. So from equation number 1, we have y is equal to 11 minus 3x. Let it put it equation number 3. From equation number 2, we have the value of y as 2x minus 4. Let us put this as equation number 4. Now we will compare equation number 3 and equation number 4 as they both are equal to y. So we have 11 minus 3x is equal to 2x minus 4. On solving, we are having x is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in equation number 3, we have the value of y as 2. Hence we have roots as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This method is comparison method. Let us take another example. We have the equation as 7x plus 3y minus 44 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. Rearranging this, we have rearranging this, we have 7x plus 3y is equal to 44 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 9. Let us mark them equation number 1 and equation number 2. From equation number 1, we have the value of y as 44 minus 7x upon 3. Let us mark this as equation number 3. Now from equation number 2, I find the same unknown value y as 3x minus 9 upon 2 and mark this equation as equation number 4. Now comparing equation number 3 and equation number 4, we have 44 minus 7x upon 3 is equal to 3x minus 9 upon 2. On cross multiplication and further solution, we have twice of 44 minus 7x is equal to thrice of 3x minus 9. On solving further, we get the value of x as 5. Now I put this value of x in equation number 3. You can put it in any of the equation to get the value of another variable. Putting the value of x in equation number 3, we can calculate the value of y. Here y is equal to 3. Hence the root of this equation are x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now let us look back what we have covered so far. In this module, we have covered classification of different methods of solving simultaneous equations, in which we have seen methods like graphical method, in which we make use of graph, substitution method, in which what we do, we substitute the value of one variable into another equation and solve it. The next method we have covered is comparison method, in which we find the value of the same unknown variable and compare the both equations together. And we have also seen some examples of these methods. I hope this session is beneficial for you and you will cover these topics.